Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about subtraction of integers. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Also, you will find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about subtraction of integers. So, a quick review about adding integers. For the adding rule number 1, if the sign are the same, add as I normally do and then keep the sign. Example, 5 plus 8. So that's equal to 13. Negative 8 plus negative 17. That's equal to negative 25. Ibig sabihin, sa addition rule, kapag pareho ang sign, i-add mo lang sila and then copy the sign. As simple as that. Now, for the addition rule number 2, if the signs are different, pretend that the sign are not there. Subtract the smaller from the larger one, and then keep the sign of the number with the greatest absolute value. So, for here, we have 19 plus negative 11. So, since hindi sila pareho ng sign, isa-subtract natin sila. So, 19 minus 11 is 8. Now, which is bigger, 19 or 11? The answer is 19. And what is the sign of 19? Positive. Therefore, our answer is positive 8. For 24 plus negative 86, so we will just subtract the 2 because they don't have the same sign. 86 has a negative sign and then 24 positive naman. So, parang 86 minus 24. So, parang ganun siya. And the answer is 62. Since 86 is the bigger number and the sign of 86 is negative, so we will copy the sign of the bigger number or greatest absolute value, and that is negative 62. Now, for the subtraction of integers, we have the 3 steps. First, keep. So, keep the first number. Second, change. Subtraction sign to addition sign. And then opposite. Write down the opposite of the second number. Okay. So then add the way you do normally in the addition of integers. So let's see. We have negative 9 minus positive 14. So here we have negative 9 minus positive, this will be positive 14. Okay, kaso since positive siya, hindi na natin siya nilagay. So negative 9 minus positive 14. So keep, change opposite. We have negative 9 minus, so change, it will become positive, then 14. What is the opposite of positive 14? That's negative 14. So, since napalitan na natin to, and then we add negative 14 here, from positive to negative 14, then we can now add. So, we will do the rule, addition rule 1 tsaka addition rule 2. So, since pareho sila ng sign, we will use addition rule 1. Add the numbers and the copy the sign. So, we have negative 23. Is that clear? So, to understand it better, let's have the following. So, negative 7 minus 15. The answer is negative 22. Again, for this one, paano siya naging negative 22? So, we have negative 7. So, that is negative 7 minus 15. First, keep the first number, change minus to addition, and get the opposite of the second number. And then, since addition na siya, they have the same sign, so we will add and then copy the sign. That's why the answer is negative 22. Next, 23 minus 98. So, both of them are positive as you can see. So, we have 23, that's 23, right? Minus 98. Okay, for this portion, we will keep the first, make it an addition, and then get the opposite of the second number. So, they don't have now the same sign, and it is addition. In rule number 2 of the addition, if they don't have the same sign, subtract the number and copy the sign of the bigger number. That is why the answer is negative 75 because 98 minus 23 is 75 and 98 is the bigger than 23 and it has a negative sign, so we will copy the sign of the bigger number. Now, we have another negative 48 minus negative 13. And the answer is negative 35. So, paano nangyari negative 35? So, again, we have negative 48 for this example. Then, we have minus negative 13. First rule, keep the first number. Next, change minus to addition, and then get the opposite of the second number. So the opposite of negative 13 is positive 13. Since they don't have the same sign, in the number 2 rule of addition, if they don't have the same sign, subtract the two number and copy the sign of the bigger number. Since the bigger number is 48, so we have negative sign, and 48 minus 13 is 35. Next, we have 11. Paano siya naging 11? So we have 5 minus negative 6. Right? So we have this one. Now, what we're going to do is keep this first number, change minus to addition, get the opposite of negative 6, and that is positive 6. They have now the same sign. In the rule of addition, add if they have the same sign and copy the sign. So we have positive 11. And finally, we have 9. For this final example, let's have an explanation for this. So we have 17, okay, minus 8. Alright, so keep the first, change minus to addition, get the opposite of the second number. They don't have the same sign, so subtract. 17 minus 8 is 9. Since 17 is the bigger number, and the sign of 17 is positive, so we have positive 9 as our answer. So that's all about for the subtraction of integers. With that, thank you very much for listening.